the natural green remedy for better, healthy, thicker hair and gray coverage. The greens which are available in our garden are very useful for our better hair growth. Hibiscus flowers and leaves are rich in nutrients such as amino acid that are necessary for producing keratin, the building blocks of our hair. The flowers are capable of stimulating hair regrowth even from dormant follicles and from bald patches. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants moisturize the scalp. Hibiscus leaves are promoting hair growth and hair thickness. Collective flowers and leaves, the tender leaves, for making decoction. The brahmi leaves helps in providing and strengthen and also provides nourishment for the scalp. It strengthens the blood vessels in the blood, thus oxygen and nutrients stimulates hair growth and prevent hair loss. The alkaloids in brahmi bind to protein in the hair shaft, producing stronger and thicker hair. The curry leaves removes dead hair follicles and they are high in beta carotene and protein content which are instrumental in preventing hair loss and thickening of the hair. So curry leaves are the best instrumental solution for the hair loss. Wash the foliage collected and chop into pieces. Even we can use fenugreek leaves or seeds for regrowth of our hair, a best solution for hair loss. Make the decoction from all these herbs along with fenugreek seeds and After heating for a while, add the flowers, hibiscus flowers, and boil it until the water content get reduced. Even you can add the instant coffee powder, and this coffee powder helps in stimulating hair growth and stop hair loss, and also darkens your hair. When the water content get reduced, collect the decoction and you can use any natural henna. And amla powder provides nourishment to your hair. You can add the amla powder for the henna and mix the henna powder with the filtered decoction. The henna powder dyes the hair and it is a good natural conditioner for stronger, thicker and shiny hair. Apply this to your hair. Before applying, you can add eucalyptus oil which stimulates and fights dandruff.